We're Jack and Megan, and we've spent the past few weeks travelling Tasmania while living out of our tiny home on wheels. If you've been following along with our Tasmania adventures so far, you probably would have heard us mention how much we love the old houses here. Old houses,
beautiful.
Old cottage styles everywhere.
Old houses.
Old houses. So join us today as we get the chance to stay in a 100-year-old Tasmanian cottage and explore the beautiful surrounding areas. So it says to follow this driveway all the way down to the dam. Apparently we have a dam.
Oh, I think I can see it.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's like a little fairy tale house.
I love how back in the day they just keep the houses so simple, square.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Is this the front door?
Yeah, so fun. I can already tell just by like this and this that I'm gonna love it.
Oh, look at the door. Here we go. 100 years old.
Oh my goodness.
We're going to go for a little walk around and suss the place out. Oh man, how cool is this?
Oh my gosh.
Look at the view. Anyway, we're going to look around and
Oh my
we'll see you in a bit.
Okay, so we had a little look around and we've also looked up some of the history of the property as well. So the original stone structure was built 100 years ago and then it was purchased in the 70s, and he did a lot of the extra renovations around the place, which we'll show you as we go through because there's some really interesting things. So first of all, we come into the bathroom here, and this was one of the little interesting things. So do you remember what this actually was made out of though? Because I know this was original.
I think it's fencing.
Fencing and like a wattle seed branch or something like that. And that's
awesome.
Obviously been there since the 70s, so that's
crazy.
so cool.
Out of all things, it's a toilet roll.
Yeah, we'll show you the other thing later, it's not just toilet stuff. But all of these beautiful little details that they leave in places like this, it just makes it feel so luxy. Look at that massive shower head, Jack.
Any shower head's good for us. Kitchen.
Oh, actually, I'll let you know as well, we've got 3 bedrooms as well. So if Jack ends up in the doghouse, then he can have his own bedroom over the next 2 nights.
What's in here?
We've got a laundry, which, you know, we always love when we don't have to put coins in a laundry. And this one smells so good. What is it? What's that good smell?
I don't know. Laundry detergent?
Laundry detergent, I guess.
Kitchen area. Pretty modernised again.
And massive. 2 things we're really excited about is an oven and a dishwasher. We probably won't end up using the dishwasher, but that's just feels so luxurious to have. And one of these drip coffee things, which we've never used before.
Never.
So we're always keen to try new coffee things now that we're back on it. And a microwave.
This is where it gets really nice.
This has got to be the best. Those windows overlooking the dam
are
just incredible. And of course, we're in Tasmania, so we've got a fireplace, and looks like they've set it up for us as well.
How cool is that?
To me, these are the things that make a place feel really luxurious. Maybe it's just all the things that I know that we would never be able to have on the road in a million years. Just homey little details like this.
Yes.
How cute.
Everybody watching who lives at home probably has all
It's
this
just like
stuff.
normal, but for us it's amazing. But this is the other thing that we learned about the history of the place. This was an addition from Sam, the guy who owned it in the 1970s.
Yeah.
And it was an old power pole that he chopped down with a chainsaw or something like that and used it to prop up the house. So that's really cool. This is what I'm so excited for.
We actually haven't been at
We haven't had a proper look at it yet, but it definitely caught my eye. Look at this clawfoot outdoor bathtub. And apparently this is 120 years old, this bathtub.
Is it?
Yeah, I read that as well.
What?
So we've got fairy lights and little curtains all around. Oh my gosh, I'm taking advantage of this sunshine today and
Amazing.
I'm having a bath out here. You look good in the kitchen.
Oh yeah. I just need one of those aprons with the boobs on.
Kiss the chef.
So good to have a kitchen.
I know.
Honestly. You take it for granted when you do have one. Tonight for dinner, we're having chicken thighs marinated in a whole heap of peanut butter. This secret stuff here.
My new obsession.
Onion, garlic and chilli. Putting a can of chickpeas in there as well. Soy sauce, sweet chilli sauce, and a bit of honey, which is probably overdoing it.
Yeah, you don't need honey if you've got sweet
Apparently
chilli,
it's
because
Tasmanian.
that's full of sugar already.
Hey, I'm the chef, mate.
I'm trying to eat a little bit less meat, so I've got tempeh, which I've never tried before. So
Look at the state of this
let's
stuff.
see how soybeans.
That looks disgusting.
And then if I like it, then I'll just eat that with the chickpeas
Yeah.
and Jack can have his chicken. And we've got broccoli and quinoa. So
Oh yeah, we got
it's gonna be so
broccolini.
good.
Yum.
Did you leave that in the car?
Yeah, I did.
I'll get it.
And I got to light the fire because I've got the whole night sorted. It's going to be romantic tonight.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep
Alrighty,
every
I've
night?
come up a treat. Look at that. Dinner for my
Wow.
girl.
Thank you.
I'm not too sure about your little log looking thing there.
Smells good. Kind of looks like a poo. But it
What a
smells
cracker.
good.
Give it a taste. It's good. It's odd, isn't it?
It's actually really good.
It is,
You
isn't
would
it?
like it.
It's not bad. I already tried it.
Oh, you did.
Yeah. Look what Megan's gone and found
I
herself.
know, I just found another thing to add to the collection of things that we definitely can't have in the troopy that I didn't realise that I missed until now.
I hear this yelling. She's like, "Ah, ah," and I'm like, what's wrong? What's wrong? Is there a huntsman? And she goes, I found a puzzle. There goes
I'm
Megan.
sorted. 500 pieces, I can get through that easy in a
Go.
night. I don't actually know. I haven't done puzzles in ages.
Ooh, I wonder.
Thank you for dinner.
How come the trees get undressed?
Are you going to help me with the puzzle?
No,
Why?
I can't concentrate that long. I can hear us eating. What are you laughing at? Are you right? Are you choking?
A little bit.
Are you going to die? Are you right? What are you laughing at? That was
I just
random.
had rice coming out of my nose, I think. It did. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I was going to say, do you want some music for dining?
I think I want some YouTube.
Oopsie.
Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Got a coffee for you. And some marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Yeah, you like marshmallows, don't you?
Not really, but thank you.
Wait till you taste the coffee.
I never want to get out of this bed ever.
Alright guys, time to get some eggs. It's always funny watching the troopy in a driveway. It just doesn't make sense.
Especially when it doesn't fit like that.
it doesn't fit. Alright, what have we got? We've got to feed them.
Feed them. So excited. I've never done this before.
Wow, that looks like a lot.
Well, I just grabbed the bucket. How much are you supposed to give them?
I don't know. That looks right. Alright.
Chickens.
Here they are, look at them all.
Hello.
Here we go. Here we go.
Hello. What do? You just chuck it on?
Yeah, just chuck it.
Hi guys.
How good's that?
Oh, hello.
We'll have this one day, Megan.
Yeah. One day.
Look at them all. While we've got them distracted, let's see. Oh, there's a chicken in there. Is there any eggs?
It's cracked.
No, they're fake eggs.
Oh.
Oh, there's none. I wonder if there's one in here.
Excuse me.
Watch out.
Got any eggs?
You got any eggs under there? Oh, how good's that? 2 eggs.
Cool.
Go shut it before he jumps out. Oh, do you want to take that? I've got.
Oh, they're warm.
They're warm eggs.
Oh, you've got snot running down your face.
I've got
Is what
real.
you've got.
I got hay fever, guys. It's really bad. Yeah, I was leaning down and just dying.
Oh, here comes the ducks.
Oh, the ducks are coming.
Do they eat this as well?
Hey? Yeah. I read the owner's manual of the house. Here we go.
Get 'em. I'm scared of like overfeeding them.
Yeah, that's probably enough.
Okay.
Alright, there was definitely no more eggs in there, eh? Sorry, mate, I took your egg. That'll bear up. Alright. Let's go take some antihistamine pills. Far out. Alright, moment of truth, Megan. Well, to be honest, I've already tasted it. But, you taste it. It's definitely different from normal eggs.
Yum.
Looks good.
I also realised last night that my puzzle is missing pieces, so that's not getting done.
I also realised you're wearing my jumper.
Yeah, this is my jumper now. So today, after I eat my breakfast, Jack's already scoffed his, we are doing something we don't normally do when we've got a second night in an accommodation. Usually we just stay put and work or just be, you know, like couch potatoes. But today we are continuing our exploration because, as we've said, we don't have many days left here in Tasmania, so we're going to try and squeeze in as much as possible. And I'm actually really excited about where we're going to go today because it's, again, something completely different.
And it's something we wouldn't have known about if you guys
Didn't tell us about it.
So, thank you once again.
Your little friends have come to say hello, Megan.
I know, and I've got a third one coming over as well.
Hello. Are you ready?
I'm ready. So it's probably the longest we've ever driven to get somewhere that we're probably just going to do maybe a 20-minute walk around and then go, but I think it's going to be worth it. I'm really excited.
As we're driving into this place, have we said where we're going?
No, so we are at a place called Grindelwald. It's a little Swiss-themed shopping village, I think, but then
It's like something out of a movie.
Yeah, there's a little section of houses that look like they're from Snow White.
Yeah,
like little fairy
it's
tale
a bit
houses.
weird, isn't it?
I think
but
it's cool.
But just looking at this place,
It's literally just a few shops, I think, but I'm excited
we're
to
going
have
for a
look.
quick look. We have to go.
It's so quiet here. There's like no one here.
It's like a ghost town.
But it's so cute.
It is, isn't it? It's quirky.
I like it. I'm glad we came,
Gotta-
even if it was a bit of a detour for us. Okay, I think we even ended up spending less than 20 minutes there, but I thought it was really cute and it was Christmas themed, so that's just a bonus.
Yeah, we got to keep moving.
So we are continuing the themes now, and Jack is super excited because he spotted a little restaurant near the cottage yesterday, and he hasn't stopped talking about it this whole time. So
50s themed diner. Now, where do you see that apart from America?
That one over is yours,
thank you.
and that one is yours.
Thank you very much. First thought,
Now that is a proper chip.
look at the size of this bird.
Look at that. I've never seen a chip like that before in my life.
Yeah, Megan, I didn't tell you about this one.
Oh my gosh, and it's so pretty too.
Put it near your head.
Near my hair.
Yeah.
Good thing we're sharing.
You won't believe where Megan is. She's gone straight into the bed and have a look at this.
Megan.
Why do you have to be so rough for?
Sorry, did that hurt you?
Get out of bed, it's only 3 o'clock.
I don't care, it's so comfy.
Somebody ate too much banana split. Are you going to go to sleep?
Just for like 5 minutes.
Are you sure about that? Mm-hmm. I think she's about to fall asleep for a few hours.
Oh, yeah, never nap.
Good night, Megan.
Okay, good night. I gotta do it. Oh my god!
If you might be able to tell by my cheekbone,
The jawline. We've lost a bit of weight here in Tassie.
Well, there was a few episodes ago where we were talking about your double chin, weren't we?
Yeah, I reckon I've lost it. It tastes like I was like, what?
I put chickpeas in it and it's not great. All the houses look like they're from, well, the one section of houses. All the house, oh my God, shut up, Megan. I thought they were real people. Never thought something like this would excite you so much.
This is
very
awesome.
You're loving it.
It's so old school. It's wicked. All the old houses. And there's a car right here, mate. What is it? It says don't touch the car. I was going to touch the car.